Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Christian and this is CXC Beauty. I know I've been gone for a week. I took a week off because we were going through some personal stuff. As some of you may know, our dog Kronos was battling DCM, which is dilated cardiomyopathy, and unfortunately we lost him on Saturday, so he passed away, and so I took a week off of social media. Well, I sort of took a week off and then I didn't do any videos. But if you want to know more about that, I might do like a separate video on that or a post about it to go more in depth about it. But I don't really want to talk about it right now. I want to do a video for you guys and kind of get back into the swing of things with makeup and everything like that. So we're trying to think positively, think happy thoughts, and just try to kind of get back to normal life. So I'm going to do a little makeup and play with some products and just have a good time with you guys. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay everybody, so what I'm going to try to do today is I'm going to try to recreate something like this. I'm going to do an inspired look by Dua Lipa. She had this look in her Physical video, which is amazing. If you haven't seen that video or heard that song, it's so good, and I love the 80s vibe, and I love like the music is going kind of in that direction now. So I'm gonna do something like this, and it's like reddish tones with oranges and then accented with a little bit of yellow, and in the video you can see that she has a glitter on her lid, so I'm gonna try to do that. So if you want to see how I create this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with CXC Beauty Single Shadows. And I know my palette's a mess, but I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Flamboyant, and it's a reddish shade. And I'm gonna start packing that into the crease. And I'm sort of just packing this in there kind of messily, or a little bit messy, I mean. And I'm using patting motions because I want to get the most pigment out of this. Okay, now I'm going to jump into the Palomino Paradise palette, and I'm going to use this red here, which is called Flor. And it's a bit of a deeper red. So I'm going to start deepening this red a little bit. And then also I'm going to take this and kind of start pulling the red outward. Now I'm going to jump into this little palette right here, which is the California Love palette from Colourpop, which is one of my favorites. And I'm going in with this orangey shade called Sequoia. And my fluffy brush. And I'm just using this to blend out the edges a little bit. Now to add a little bit of shimmering red, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is Poinsettia from our Winter Singles collection. And I'm just going to take this shade and I'm going to wet it a little bit, just to get full like metallic, the full metallic effect from it. And then I'm going to start putting this on the outer parts of my lid. Okay, now for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with this neon pigment from Andy Candy Makeup. It's called Jimmy Juice. Now, the reason we're doing eyes first is because when you use pigments like this, they tend to be a little bit messy, but we can just clean that up with a little bit of makeup remover or just put some concealer on it. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with more of this Flor color, which is the deeper red, and I'm using a little pencil brush. Now in the picture, she does have yellow right in the center of her lower lash line, so I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is Canary, and this is one of CXC Beauty Single Shades. And I'm just taking it on this little brush, and I'm going to wet this as well, and I'm going to put that right in the center. Okay, so I'm going to take this yellow shade and I'm going to put it on my lid, just to have like a little bit of base for my yellow glitter that I'm going to use. So again, I'm going to wet this shade And I'm gonna start packing that onto the center of my lid. Right over that, I'm gonna use this little palette from Colourpop, and there's a glitter shade right in the center. It's called Palooza. Now, this is not technically eye safe glitter, but I'm gonna put it on my eyes anyway. So you can make your own decision on what you want to do, put glitter on your eyes or not. I'm gonna go for it. So I'm just patting that on with my finger. Okay, I'm gonna apply some liner and some lashes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and put some lashes on. I'm gonna go ahead and start on my face now and kind of clean up some of this mess. For primer today, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Professional. And I'm actually gonna put this on with my sponge, just because my hands are full of glitter. And then for foundation today, I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour. And I'm just gonna put like a more sheer layer of this on. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with some Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I am running out of this one. This is shade 26. And again, I'm just gonna go a little lighter than usual. And then I'm also using this to kind of clean up any like mess that I have here. And then I'm gonna set that with a little bit of Brighten Up by Essence and just a tiny bit on this fluffy brush. And then in this picture, she doesn't have like any heavy contour. She has a little bit of blush on, and it's like a softer pink blush. So for blush today, I'm gonna go in with this Sephora Pro palette, face palette, and I'm gonna mix a little bit of Flossy and Besso. This is the medium, by the way. There's light, medium, and deep in this palette. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of blush. Okay, and then her lip is like a more muted, like nudish pink lip, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this lipstick right here. It's a Maybelline one, and this is Mauve for Me. And it's a beautiful mauve color, like a more nudish mauve. And Maybelline makes some of my all-time favorite lipstick formulas. And they're super affordable. Okie dokie, so I just went really simple with the lips. Oh, I forgot highlighter. So I do want to highlight a little bit, but I don't want anything too extreme. So I'm going to go in with this one right here. This is by NARS. It's Fort de France. And I'm just going to take a little highlighting brush. That is the completed look. I am going to insert a picture so you can see it a little more closer, but I'm just going to finish off with a little bit of setting spray. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell that's right over here. Also, please give this video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Let me know in the comments below how I did. Let me know what you think of the music video when you watch it, or the song, because it's phenomenal. And then, yeah, I'm gonna try to get back into my regular schedule. Just bear with me. I know this was kind of a hot mess. We're just trying to get back into the swing of things with everything that's been going on. So yeah, just bear with me, and we will be back to regular schedule soon. I had a great time with you guys today, and thank you for watching my video. I'll see you later. Bye.